Hello children, today we will make paper fish. So let's start. Items required: 2 yellow sheet, half red sheet, white paper, sketch pen, scissor and Fevicol. At first take yellow square paper and then fold in half and unfold to get a center line. Then fold the right and left corners to the center line. Unfold the paper and again half fold. Now take scissor and cut the equidistant parallel slides as shown in video. Then put glue on the outer edge. And overlap the other edge and stick. Head will be round shape, so cut the corner of the head. Take red paper and draw a fence and cut like this. Draw and cut two small fence. Put glue on the fence. Then stick the big fence backside of the body. Also stick the small fence. Draw eyes on the white page and cut the eyes. Then stick the eyes on the head. Lower jaw of the fish and cut. Now paper fish is ready. Thank you.